Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working with Ashimary Hair. They went ahead and sent me a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. It is straight, obviously, and in 22 inches. So it is about a bit under my boob, almost to waist length. So far so good. I'm loving this hair. It's one of the best quality wigs I've had in a while, especially in the straight texture. And what it is their new double drawn wigs. This line is everything. The hair is super nice and full. It's really just like some really good hair. So definitely go ahead and check the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase. And I always like to tell you guys off rip if I feel like, yeah, purchasing. If I don't say it in a video, then you guys get the gist. But this wig, definitely off the rip, go ahead and purchase. Like, let's get into it. Do you see that? I'm gonna come closer. Do you see that shine? This hair is absolutely stunning. So definitely go ahead and click them links in the description box to purchase. And thank you so much to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. Let's jump into the tutorial so I can show you guys how to get your wig looking like this. Okay babes, I am finally finished and this is the end result. This hair feels like butter. Ashimary did that, or Ashimary. They like, this hair is one of the best quality straight wigs I've ever had, like in my whole 4 years of doing hair, period. Like, it's a few wigs I've ever came across that have good quality lace, good quality hair, good quality cap structure, and this just checked off every single box. So I definitely am gonna let you guys know from the bottom of my heart, go get this wig right now. The link will be in my description box for you to purchase. I did a glued install and honestly, I'm loving it. If I didn't want to wear glue, I didn't have to. The edges, beautiful. You guys seen how easy it was to work with this wig. The only part that took the most time to me was the laying of the lace, and that's completely fine. You gotta take your time if you want it to be perfect. So that's just that on that. But the specs of this wig is a 13x4 HD lace 22-inch straight wig. It is their 15A double drawn hair wig, so it is really nice and thick, especially in the ends. You do not have any type of straggly ends. It's really full down there, so it's actually like the perfect wig. Or outside of a sponsorship, I would definitely be purchasing this wig, rocking this wig like I'm living. Okay, the quality is everything. So thank you so much to Ashimary for sending me this gorgeous wig. I love it so much, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.